Hi there, Roy's Timber Art here. I just wanted to show you something I bought the other day. They're these chalk white markers, water-based, non-toxic, quick dry. It's just a simple idea that you can put a mark onto dark wood, because the simple reason is if you mark it with pencil, it's very difficult to see. If you wanted to mark it for where the nose is, say if you were doing a little face like this, you would want to mark out first the nose. So you just use one of these pens, say like you put where the brow ridge is, you put the bottom of the nose, the mouth would be about there, the hairline would be like that, and those would be your cuts. You do a V cut there, then you do a stop cut there, bring it up to the nose, do the mouth. I'll show you on another video or on a live, but I thought that was a good idea to mark.
Oh, that's a great idea.
The wood. Thank you for watching, and you can wipe them off. I haven't got a cloth, I don't think. It's chalk anyway. It's quick dry, water-based, non-toxic, reversible tip, 6 in a box. I'll leave a link in the description for these, affiliate link, so it's a small commission I get at no extra cost to you. Thank you for watching, and as always, whatever you do, do it well.